Hi guys, it's Carly, and today I wanted to share with you this beehive piñata card. So I'm going to start with a piece of heavyweight cardstock, and I'm going to use some foam tape to build up walls and make a container. So I ended up doing 3 layers of foam tape to get the height that I wanted on my container, and then inside I'm going to put a gift card and some sequins. I'm going to remove the liner paper from that top layer of tape and then close my container with a piece of tissue paper. Now next I'm going to die cut the panel that's going to go on top of my piñata, and I'm doing it with the Essentials by Ellen beehive die, and I'm doing it right now so I can use it as a frame of reference when I add my fringe. To make my fringe, I'm using tissue paper and the Essentials by Ellen Never Ending Fringe die set. I'm using the medium fringe. I love how you get this great strip of fringe to use. It works really great with tissue paper, with crepe paper, and cardstock too. And just to add a little bit extra to my fringe, I'm taking an ink blending tool and Distress Oxide ink and just kind of dabbing the bottom of that fringe there. Not really a blending motion because I don't want it to tear, but I just want to add a little bit of extra color. Now I finally get to start adding my fringe. So I've got a little bit of that foam tape still tacky on the outside there, so I'm just going to use that to adhere the edges of my fringe down. I'm going to pop my cover on top every once in a while to check and see where my fringe is landing and if I like the spacing and all that kind of good stuff. And then I'm just going to fringe all the way to the top. After I get my fringe all the way to the top, I'm going to trim off any little stragglers that might stick out the edge. And then I'm going to put that cover on. So I've just got some high-tack tape around the edges. I'm going to pull off that liner paper and put it on top of my fringe. And I love how the card turned out with the little bee from the 1 in a Bazillion set, but I have to tell you, there is something I would do differently next time. Now, I'm a little bit sleep deprived with my little guys at home, and I have to say I wasn't thinking it through when I put a plastic gift card in there, because it's actually a little bit hard to take that rigid plastic gift card out of the hive shape. The hive piñata would be perfect for slightly softer things like stickers and notes and birthday cash maybe, or maybe even some Hershey's Miniatures chocolates. Save those plastic gift cards for a different shape. Okay, thanks so much for watching. I hope you're having a wonderful crafty day.